Hi guys, Snowy here. Fixing insulation into concrete can be tricky, but with the ICCONS gas insulation range, it doesn't have to be. 3.6 kilos, 90 joules of power, the ICCONS 160C gas insulation tool makes any gas insulation job so simple. When you pull it out of the box, this is what it's going to look like. Now to put the nose piece in, all you simply do is line these black little dots up here with your nose piece. Now there's two nose pieces in a case. First one is from 25 to 50 mil, the second one from 50 to 160 mil. So simply line up your dots with your locating slots, insert, twist, and it's locked in place. And the most important part, the gas. Now the gas comes with a travel cap to stop any damage in transit. Simply remove the travel cap, take your piece off, push on, and you're ready to play. Now when you're putting your gas can in, it's important that the black locating flap here goes down inside the barrel. So simply push your gas in, close the lid, and you're away. The next part is your battery. 7.2 lithium volt battery. Now you just need to pick your fastener and you're ready to go. So there's two conventional methods that you'll see used on site. The first is to push the fastener onto the nose piece, push up through the board, making sure you're nice and straight or perpendicular, and pull the trigger. The second method you'll see on site are where the guys push the fastener through the board before they install, and then simply locate your tool, making sure you're nice and perpendicular, and away you go. Thanks for watching guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to hit us up on our live chat.